crazy to think about that I started 205 Motorsports 5 years ago. And it's even crazier to think about just how many people have viewed my content, liked it, shared it, you know, hit that follow or subscribe button. And, you know, when I started out 5 years ago, I started out with an action camera and just going to car shows such as Magic City Octane. And I went there with my action camera and a vision of what I wanted to do, but I didn't have a plan. I didn't know how to use the camera. I didn't know how to compose the shots. I just walked around aimlessly, as you see. Don't even get me started on the editing. And it didn't take me long to realize that I wanted to get better. I needed to get better. I didn't quit, I didn't give up. I just knew that I needed to learn. So I ditched the action camera because I realized that I got better footage, better quality from my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I started doing one-on-one shoots with local builders, showing off or showcasing their rides. I did the Mystic Cobra, done some local CTSV, the green 3100 pickup truck, several cars that, you know, I'm proud to have gotten to shoot. And I've met some great people. The owners of those vehicles all been great people. Barry with the 300ZX. And then what really took me to the next level, I feel like, was Christmas 2023. My wife got me the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It was a brand new camera at the time, the third iteration of the Pocket camera. And I was looking at getting the 2, but then I saw that there was rumors of a 3 coming soon. And so I held off, and Christmas come along, and, you know, like I said, and what really, I feel like took me to that next level was the ability to shoot rollers while by myself. So, you know, getting to add those to my videos just really took it to the next level. So I say all this just to say, one, you know, thank you for watching my content. And two, if you have an interest in making content, whether it's automotive content, cooking content, DIY projects around the house, you know, you don't need the fancy, expensive, the newest equipment to do so. Just start doing it and learn along the way and just want to get better. There's plethora of resources out there that teaches you how to do this. And I'm still learning every single day. My content is still, you know, I'd say mediocre at best, but I am getting better. You know, the only thing I really wish I had was more time to do this. But again, thank you for 5 years. Thank you for supporting 205 Motorsports. I hope to continue making content for a long time, just whenever time allows it. I do have new content in the works and on the way. And again, thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm out of here.